Looks like there's a light that's down on the ground. And what is our project going to be today? We're going to install this security light. And if you look at this, see this? It's a nice little security light, and it says motion activated. Now, if you've been watching my videos, I just installed one of these. It was a security light, and it said light switch activated, and I thought it was also motion activated. Well, it wasn't. So I ended up taking it off because I want the motion activated, because we're going to put this up. Here's a garage. I'm inside my mother's garage. Here's the back door going outside. Here's a light switch. You turn that light switch on, and kaboom. It's supposed to turn that light on, and that was the light that was on there right there. We're taking that off. We're putting a motion activated security light. That little unit right there. We're going to install that, and it says it's good for 110 degrees, and you can get these that are maybe 180 degrees and stuff, but I only need 110 because where it is, I'm controlling this area here. That's a 90 degree angle there, so I don't need it any more than 90 degrees. 110 degrees is going to be fine because we don't want any intruders coming in from the street, coming out here towards the back of the house and trying to shimmy this back door open. You know, yeah, we got a security screen here. We even got a deadbolt on it. But my mother likes to be secure. She was told by everybody in the homeowners association, get a security motion activated light over here in your side yard, maybe the back of your house too if you can. And that's what I'm going to do. And luckily for me, it's got a light switch here. You turn the light switch on, and that motion activated security light will work during the night time. And that's what that little unit is right there. That thing right there is going to sense the motion. So even when she wants to come out here at night, let's say she opens up this back door, the motion sensor is going to go off. When we open up the door, the light's going to come on. She's going to throw her trash in here, close the door. 2 or 3 minutes later, the light's going to go off. Okay, if that's something you want to learn how to install, stick around. Now, as with anything, whenever you work on a light fixture like that, make sure to turn the power off. I've got the light switch turned off, and I know somebody out there is going to say, oh, but the power is still on, you better be careful, you got to find the breaker in your panel and turn it off. Well, technically I guess you are correct, being that the white wire right here will always have power on it, because the light switch is only controlled by the black wire. So when I go down there at the light switch and I turn it off, it's turning the power off to the black wire, not the white wire. But I'm not going to be touching anything directly together with that. I've never turned off a breaker, but to be on the safe side, if that's what you want to do before you work on a light fixture with a light switch turned off, go ahead and do it. Hey, you know what? I thought I had 3 wire nuts up here. I had 2 wire nuts, and it looks like the white one has fallen off from before. I'm not even sure where it's at, but I don't think I'm going to need it. Okay, I'm going to pull this light fixture out, check it out. Make sure you read the directions on stuff like that too, just to get yourself acclimated. I'll get ready to install that light. Oh, that's funny. I got to show you this. Remember I said I thought there was 3 wire nuts on there when I took the light fixture back off and took it back to the store and got the motion activated one. I put the wire nuts on there and I couldn't find the other one. Look where it is. It's way over here. I haven't even touched it yet. It bounced off, fell off the white wire way over there. You know, luckily for me, nothing really happened anyways. but it popped off. I don't know how that happened. Okay, anyways, take these, I guess I'll leave these on for right now. Okay, and then I'll get my light fixture out and get ready to install the backing bracket up there first. Okay, let's get on with it, shall we? There's not much to this. See, here's the bracket that came with it, and it also comes with a couple screws, and I'm just going to take that up there and set it on here. Line it up where the screws came out from before. Usually the old boxes have the screws on there, the screw holes where they go. One. Boy, that should go in there. Why that's so hard? Good grief. The other screw came out of there. What's going on with that? Okay. Wow. Not wanting to go very well. Ah, good Lord. Must have cross-threaded it or something. Mercy me. Okay, I'll have to figure out what to do with that. Even the simplest task sometimes can get to you. I don't know what I'm going to have to do there. I'll work on that screw. Okay, keep working at it. You can do it. Okay. Little sweat equity, I got the screw in there. Okay, now I have a ground wire here, and I've got a long enough pigtail, so I'm going to install that directly onto the light switch itself, or the light fixture itself. Now, if this ground wire was tagged off and cut off back in here, I would then have to attach the new ground wire from the light. Let's show you this here. So here's the new light fixture here. The nice light, and it comes with the ground wire, which is the green. It's got a white wire and a black wire. Okay, so I've got 3 wires there. And this is all that came with it here. See, 1 screw in the middle. And it's important to read that. See, that says up with an arrow, so we want that facing up. Usually that's how it works anyways, because the motion is down here at the bottom. Okay, so that's it. That's going to get screwed up there. But see, because I've got a long pigtail, let's just talk to you about the ground wire here a little bit. If there was no pigtail coming out of the box, you could take the new ground wire, strip it back a little bit, screw it around the ground screw that's on this box. But the funny thing is, on that box, that that box is not a metal box, it's a plastic box. Okay, so it's probably the best that I not use that ground screw anyways, right? Because I'm only grounding this metal strap to a plastic or a hard plastic. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.